everybody. So this is a blade, a stellite blade that I sharpened. So we're going to go ahead and try that out on some pine that I just cut. So I just cut that little pine down there over so I can get it out of the way for the new sawmill shed. So let's go ahead and give that a test on the Norwood here. I'll tell you what, I really like the way that cut. Man, it cut super fast. Yeah, I had that turned way up on the speed. Went right through there, never slowed down, never bogged down. So, man, I really like how that blade sharpen turned out. I just put it at 10 degree, gave it a little touch, and those are the stellite cut blades. So these are the stellite tip blades. So I'm using the Sabretooth Sharpener from Norwood, and man, that thing worked like a boss. Check them out on the Norwood website. Definitely worth the money. Go check it out.